Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're just going to go over the 90-day workout fitness challenge. I put something on Instagram last week and I got a lot of feedback. And then I just posted something on LinkedIn, which we'll go over in a moment today, and I got a lot of interest. So I want to share what I'm doing, and I'm actually going to be making a Discord server channel for this. So please register or just join the server and you can just go into the regular chat or whatever. And it's going to be a private. So we can share progress, your weight, and then we can do weekly check-ins as well. So just to keep each other accountable and everything like that. So this is not a technical video. So if you guys came here for some nerdy stuff, it's technical in the sense of your body, right? So again, if you guys are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Let's get into it and have some fun. All right. So here is the post that I put on just 9 hours ago, right? And this was just something, like I said, I have this on my Instagram. I was like, oh, I'm just going to post it on that because, I didn't want to really go into the professional aspect of hack your health and all that stuff. But I figured it's really important. And I had a few conversations at DEF CON with some people, Black Hat, just that trip in Vegas. And I want to tell you why this journey occurred, right? Why this journey actually came about. I'm going to be completely transparent. I work out almost every day, right? I do work out, I arm wrestle, but I tend to get into a habit of drinking green tea. A lot of people make a little joke, like, what's the joke about green teas? And I want to explain that. I've been drinking these things for over 10 years, right? And obviously, if you drink it maybe for at least a year, you're not going to maybe notice because you're active. And as you're doing this, maybe for 10 years, it's a lot of sugar. It's 25 grams of sugar a bottle. And I'm not going to even lie. I would probably drink, I would say 4 to 6 a day. Right? So, in the morning, I'll have a little snack and I'll drink a green tea. 10 o'clock in the morning while I'm on my meetings or if I'm doing something for work, I'll drink another green tea. And they're so easy to drink. It's not like soda. So you just sipping on it, you drinking it, and it's like, oh, I'm already done. And then 2 hours later, you get another one. So throughout the whole day, I was drinking 4 to 6 of them, maybe even more sometimes. I don't even know. But anyhow, I noticed in DEF CON or the Vegas trip, I went into the pool, hanging out with the friends and everything like that. And I don't, where I live, I don't really go in the pool. I don't really go swimming much. I don't go to the beach much. But, I always felt healthy. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh, I go to the gym. Like I said, I arm wrestle, I go skate, whatever. I'm hockey season starting again, so I want to start playing hockey. But I just felt different. And I looked at myself different. I was like, man, I did put on a few pounds and I wasn't very happy about it. Right. So I came home and I just really sat down with myself and said, what am I going to do? And I was just going to do this on my own. Right. Just hey, I printed something out and I'll show you guys what I printed out. And every day I'm weighing myself in the morning. I'm documenting what I'm eating, the calories. I'm using MyFitnessPal on my phone and just counting every ounce of water because I was never really a big water drinker. I'll drink water when I go to the gym or if I'm playing soccer or something like that, but not casually. I'm not going to sit home and just, down water. But now I am doing that. So last Wednesday, I believe it was August 13th when I posted my thing on Instagram and I was 210 pounds, right? And today is, I don't even know what today is. I don't have my watch on because I just took a shower, but I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 days, and I'm already down to 202. And literally, I just cut green teas out, right? I'm not snacking at night. I'm not when I'm hacking at night, I'm not just eating Oreos or being, a fatso. So I took this upon myself and I was like, I'm going to do this by myself. But something triggered me, because every year, I'll do a little fasting, I'll do a little challenge for myself. But I wanted to make this public. First, keep me accountable. right? So like if I'm not, and this is what I'm announcing today as well, I have long hair. I always had long hair. I really value my hair, right? Like my hair is probably I love my hair, I'm not going to even lie. But so what I'm thinking is from now to 90 days, which my 90 days will be, I believe, November 13th, which is, I think, Friday the 13th, if I'm not mistaken. But if I don't hit my 185 pounds, I will be cutting my hair. So that's what's going to keep me disciplined. Like my goal is I don't want to cut my hair. I want to try to grow into the end of the year, and then I'll trim it, but I want to see how long I can go without cutting my hair. And it's probably been around 8 months now. But yeah, so that's my challenge to myself. Like if I don't hit my goal, I want to cut my hair, right? So like I said, I'm going to make a Discord server, a Discord channel for this. And you pick something like, okay, is something that really means a lot to you, right? Maybe, okay, like, like my hair is, I want to cut my hair. If you don't hit your goal, you have to give up something, right? So that gives you that momentum to like, man, I need to stay on track. Anyhow, enough of my ranting. So, and I want to go over my routine, my diet, my everything in this video. So just hang tight. So first here, I posted this, like I said, nine hours ago this morning, and it's talking about Hack Your Health 90-Day Challenge. So as a cybersecurity professional, as a business owner, as, a content creator, whatever you want to call it, I have a lot on my plate. I try to check in with all my friends. I try to text people to see how they're doing. I always try to be a good person to the world, right? Like it's not all about me, right? The world doesn't go around just because Patrick exists. So we spend a lot of time just like worrying about the next certification, studying, like I said, sharpening our skills, leveling up professionally. But what about our health? We have to invest the same amount of time. And like I said, I'm only putting this out there so you guys can hold me accountable as well. Because if not, then I'll be sitting here eating chips and cookies and milk and then watching hockey and then going to bed with a full belly of cookies and milk, right? And it's no bueno. So, if you're starting this today, document the day and go 90 days out. And whatever your goal is, if you want to lose 5 pounds, if you want to, mine is 25 pounds, right? Because at 185, I always felt good. I don't want to be too skinny again because I was out like 160 and I'm 6'2", right? So it's 6'1", 6'2", whatever I am on a good day if I stand up straight. And I was really skinny. So I don't want to get too skinny. I want to stay lean and, that's where I want to focus on, getting leaner. Strong, I'm pretty strong. But just building better habits. For me, in this is getting leaner, building better habits, and just having a overall healthier version of myself, right? So like I said here, like I don't want this to be, oh, you have to be perfect. You have to be like a Ken doll. You have to be Brad Pitt. No, it's not about, your perfection is not the same as my perfection, right? So it's consistency and, train consistently, right? Like every morning, I'll get into my routine. Move every day, right? Don't be stagnant. Don't sit in your chair and then get up and eat a bowl of cereal and then sit back in your chair and then sit on the couch and lean back. Move your body. Make better nutrition choices, right? Stay hydrated, drink a lot of water. That's what I'm doing. I wasn't probably hydrated. Prioritize recovery, sleep, rest, and then track progress and keep improving, right? Like you have to keep progress. And that's why I think making that Discord channel will keep each other accountable. And if you're feeling lazy that day, put it in the channel, say, hey, I'm not feeling it. And then someone's going to kick you in the ass and say, hey, get up and walk 1,000 steps, right? Or whatever the case may be. So, and like I said here, just like cybersecurity, sometimes the best ways to improve a system is to identify the weaknesses, right? Make adjustments and then test again, just to keep getting better. The same exact thing goes to your health, right? And like I said, this is for anyone. Doesn't matter if you're skinny trying to gain weight, if you're, heavier trying to lose weight, if you want to gain muscle, whatever your journey is, it's for you, right? There's no judgment. This is a judgment-free zone. And if anyone does judge anyone in the channel or be rude or anything, you will get banned from the server and I will find out who you are and I will never talk to you again. So I don't want this to be some shaming thing, because this is not what the point is. So yeah, hit me up, join the server, hit me up. I have a whole bunch of people that emailed me or like DM me on LinkedIn. Literally, I think there was probably about 30 people already, right? So that's why I was like, I think I need to make this Discord channel. So day one starts today, right? So let's hack our health. My day one started 4 days ago, but your day one can start today. It doesn't really matter. And what I wanted to throw in here, and if you're not in cyber, if you're like not wanting to train for a certification, whatever the case may be, we can figure something out for you. I'll try to think of something. Maybe I'll go like a gift card or whatever the case may be. But you have to hit your goal, right? And I'm going to pick like maybe 5 people, and you have to show progress. Like I said in my little Instagram reel, like you can't be 200 pounds today or 205 pounds. Like, my goal is to be 200 pounds. Come on. In 90 days, 5 pounds. I lost 5 pounds in 3 days, right? If I just cut out green tea. So you have to have something realistic. And we can talk about that in the group chat in Discord. So, this is a little thing. So this is a slogan that I started a few years ago, get jacked or get hacked. And this was all about your health, right? And it's not about just getting physically jacked and having big muscles. It's about like, hey, if I don't take care of my body, if I don't take care of myself, I'm susceptible to vulnerabilities like, maybe cancer, diabetes, whatever the case may be, heart disease, anything, obesity, whatever, right? And then your body's going to get hacked by that vulnerability, right? So that's what the whole movement is. And I actually just made some shirts. So like some beta shirts that with a logo that I just made up. ChatGPT made it. Thank you, ChatGPT. And, I got it printed out on a couple of shirts, I think of 4 or 5 shirts. And then maybe I can send them to people. I got just large because it was just for me. And I was like, maybe I can give it out at a conference or whatever. But I will purchase one for every single one that wants to join. So if you're interested, I'll show you the shirts when I get them. But yeah, like I said, like I got there's right here, there's like 69 likes, 25 comments. So, this is let me actually go over this for a second, right? So, I had, I put in all the stuff that I wanted and then ChatGPT created. Remember, this was only for me, right? This wasn't for the world. So I did change it up a little bit. I added some stuff, but this is a 90-day challenge for Hack Your Health, right? Move more, eat better, get stronger, and build better habits. That's pretty much the thing I want to do. So this community challenge is not about everyone hitting the same weight, looking the same. Like I said, everyone's goal is different. The goal is to spend the next 90 days of improving your health, strength, nutrition, and consistency and confidence, right? So I don't want to go over everything here. I will put this in the chat in the Discord once everyone starts joining. And you guys can read this or I can send it to you, whatever. But, this is just about work out consistently, walk every day. So there's a phase 1, which is day 1 to 30. And this is just getting into the habit, right? Because maybe you don't walk every day. Maybe you don't work out every day. Maybe you don't do stuff with your body. So you're not going to jump. You're not going to go running a mile before you can crawl, right? And then, like 7 to 8,000 steps. This is, like I said, this was all for me. I do walk more than that, just because I walk around my house. I walk my dog. I walk a lot. So I walk around at least 10,000 plus steps a day. And then, work out. Remember, this is phase 1, 3 to 5 times a week, depending on your experience. And then phase 2, 31 to 60, level up. Now you can increase your challenges. 8 to 10,000 steps, cardio, blah, blah, blah. And then phase 3 is 61 to 90 days, finish strong. This is where the discipline matters. And try to walk 10,000 plus, whatever is appropriate for you. Work out at least 4 to 6 days a week. Cardio 2 to 4 sessions. And then this is like community workout routine. Beginner, if you're a total beginner, goblet squats. And if you don't know what these are, obviously you can Google them as well. But barbell, bench press, lat pull downs, like, bat for back. And just as a full body. Wednesday, full body. Friday, full body. And then you can go push, pull, legs, upper body, lower and core, whatever your heart desires, right? Saturday optional. You can ride a bike, you can do Zumba, you can swim, whatever you want to do. Sunday's recovery. So yeah, and then you can just document your journey and the meal formula, like protein. This is pretty much self-explanatory, but like I said, I added all this for the community, because maybe some people, I don't know. I don't know. I can't just like judge people just by whatever. But like vegetables, I like broccoli, green beans, spinach. I don't like asparagus. I'm not really crazy about peppers. Either mixed vegetables, salad, it's so hard for me to eat salad. And zucchini, I like zucchini. But yeah, like these just gives you an example of everything. And then Sunday you can meal prep for the week and so on and so forth. So I want to throw this into the Discord. So yeah, if you're interested, join the journey. And if you hung out for the 15 minutes while I'm yapping about this, I'm going to go ahead and start out with a picture that I took over the weekend of how I look and, without my shirt, because this is more of my progress. And so people can see, like, I'm not, I don't have abs under this thing today. And in 90 days, I'm like, I'm ripped up and I didn't really do anything, right? Like, I don't want anyone cheating their way, because just like an exam or just like cyber, so just like your career, you cheat, you're not really benefiting for yourself, right? But yeah, I'm looking forward to this journey, and I'm super, super excited that a lot of people want to join it and join the fun, join the party, join the action. And yeah, I'm super, super stoked. So yeah, maybe I'll throw in some surprise guests in our check-ins and stuff like that. But that more to come there. I have some ideas. But anyhow, thank you so much. Like, again, I'm going to put the link in the description below for the Discord server. And then you join, and I'm going to make the channel right now after this video. And yeah, join the fun. All right, everyone. Love you all. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay jacked. And see you soon. Take care.